Cadence Solutions Division, located in Auburn, Massachusetts, just outside of Boston, has long been recognized as a leading supplier of doctoring equipment and blades, roll cleaning, filtration systems, fabric cleaning solutions, and forming systems for papermaking and other industrial processes, such as carbon fiber, synthetic textiles, food and beverage, and metals. This reputation comes from a long-standing commitment to research and development, product innovation, and responsiveness. Our innovation is driven by our customers. While most suppliers are preparing for the future, we are creating it. The Cadence Solutions research and development activities are the force behind the patented technologies and innovative products that we bring to papermaking and to other process industries worldwide. Cadence Solutions is unique in that we manufacture all product lines under one roof. All products manufactured by Cadence Solutions carry our genuine parts seal. Using genuine parts ensures the highest product quality and integrity is maintained when repairing OEM equipment. All products are subjected to 100% inspection to ensure product integrity. After the thorough quality inspection, products are packaged to customer specifications. Reducing downtime is critical to any paper mill. Often, the extent of damage to the product is unknown until repair work is started. The Cadence Solutions Repair Center team of technicians have years of experience and is immediately available to your call. When requested, consultation and estimates can be quickly provided before any repairs are performed. Our rapid response team, 24-hour service support, and experienced staff means you can count on Cadence Solutions to help keep your equipment running cost-effectively. We look forward to helping you solve your next challenge. Visit us online at www.cadent.com.